It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. Today, you guys, we are going to Neiman Marcus together. I wanted to go the last time to bring you together so we could look around. This time, I finally was able to do that. This video is not going to be a whole lot of me talking. It's more or less showing some of the things that I looked at inside of Neiman's, and I also moseyed where I was at and ended up in SAKS. I'm going to hand it over to my yesterday self at Neiman's and SAKS. So good morning. We are actually going to go into Neiman Marcus. So just sit back and we're going to go through Neiman's to see what they have together. It's Christmas for sure. Hi, how are you? Happy holidays. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, I sure will. Thank you.
20,000 down to 7,998. There's only one.
Your boots are amazing.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
There you have it, the vlog of Neiman Marcus and a little bit of SAKS. Just wanted to take you guys along, saw some things that I loved, saw some things that I may consider, but most of all, I had a chance to do it with you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you do not want to miss a single video I post, tap that bell and you will receive notifications each time that I post a new video. I post videos every Sunday. When it's out, tap the bell. The links to my socials in the description box below. You guys, be safe. See you all next Sunday. Bye for now.